A second serving of Campfire, cooking in another world. Get ready for another delicious fantasy adventure. The second season of the popular anime series, Campfire Cooking in Another World with My Absurd Skill, will premiere on October 7, 2025, on TV Tokyo and its affiliated stations in Japan. The new season promises more mouth-watering food and exciting quests, with Crunchyroll streaming the series for international fans. What's new? The new season is cooking up some exciting changes and additions. New cast members. Fans can look forward to meeting new characters, voiced by a talented cast. Daisuke Namikawa voices Eliland, a guild master with an unusual obsession with dragons. Shiro Sato is Hephaestus, the god of blacksmiths. Kazuya Nake plays Vahan, the god of war. Ayumu Mures joins the cast as Draw-chan, a pixie dragon who joins the protagonist's party, captivated by his cooking. Production team updates. While the animation production is still handled by the acclaimed studio MAPPA, a few key roles have new staff members, including the character designers and chief animation directors. About the series, based on a popular light novel by Ren Eguchi, the story follows an ordinary office worker named Mukoda Tsuyoshi. He's summoned to a magical world to be a hero, but finds himself with an unusual ability, an online supermarket that lets him buy modern products from his original world. This seemingly useless skill becomes his most valuable asset as he uses his love for cooking to create incredible dishes that have surprising effects on those who eat them. The first season of the anime, which aired in early 2023, captivated audiences with its unique blend of fantasy, comedy, and gourmet food. It's no surprise the series has sold over 8.5 million copies worldwide. If you haven't had a taste of the series yet, you can stream the first season on Crunchyroll to catch up before the new season premieres. This is the perfect series for anyone craving a cozy, feel-good escape.